Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2020 Red Eye full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus, topped off with a ceramic coating, tinted with XPEL XR Plus, and then the S-Tech Dyno Flex on the outside of the windshield to prevent from cracking and chips. So a lot of stuff was done. Here we go. Let's take a walk around. Let's just start looking at all the seams here. So here's where we roll it into here, so there's no lines around the gas cap. We roll it in this whole quarter panel into the window edge, the trunk lid fully wrapped in, the quarter panel fully wrapped in here. I couldn't wrap this in, there's not enough room, so the rear bumper comes up to the edge. These fender flares wrapped all the way to the edge and then all the way around. This little area all wrapped under the rubber, coming around, keeping it really tight. This rubber I cannot do much with, so we keep it real tight there. And then the door fully wrapped all the way around. No door handles removed. Wrapping it all along the bottom. And the customer did not want the Hellcat removed. Wants it in its original state, so we just plotted it. And of course, this is not the plotted pattern is not accurate, so there was some adjusting. Coming around, wrapping all this in, wrapping in the hood, wrapping in all this edge, all the way around, all the way around. A-pillar, obviously, it's part of that quarter coming in. So everything looks fantastic. Other side's the same. Bumper wrapped, keeping it tight up against this black. Everything's super. Everything's nice, nicely wrapped in. Everything looks great. So there it is, Clearbrow, North Dallas. If you need us, clearbrownorthdallas.com, 940-999-6131. And the newest product out there, the S-Tech Dyno Flex. Awesome film, crystal clear. The XR Plus by XPEL, highest heat rejection available today. This car is done all in legal, 30%. We're inside, so it looks a little bit darker. And there we go. 2020 Hellcat Red Eye, fully wrapped, ready for the road. Hopefully this one stays nice and safe in a garage, so it can continue to appreciate in value. So thanks for watching, clearbrownorthdallas.com.